Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to Fun Mathology. Today's topic is how to find out prime numbers between 1 to 100 using Sieve of Eratosthenes. So, let's get started. Right? Now, who was Eratosthenes? He was a Greek mathematician who developed a method of finding prime numbers between 1 to 100. Now, you can also try this at home. So for that, what you need to do, you need to make 10 rows and 10 columns. Have you seen? So here, so there are 10 rows and 10 columns, right? So go ahead, make 10 rows and 10 columns of a table and go ahead and write down 1, 2, 3, 4 to 10 in one row, in the second row 11 to 20, so on and so forth, as you can see here in this current table. Now what you need to do is, the Sieve of Eratosthenes tells you that first of all, cross out 1. Question is why? Because as I said in my earlier lectures, that 1 is neither a prime nor a composite, so go ahead and cross this. Next, what you need to do, you need to circle out the prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7. So what we have done, we have circled out the prime numbers in the first row. So we have crossed out 1 because that is not a prime number. And in the first row, we have circled out the basic prime numbers that we know of. Now, what you need to do? So you need to first of all find out the even numbers and cross them out. Got it? So let's say 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, 40, 42, 44, 46, 48, 50. Go ahead. So cross out all the even numbers. Right? See, you don't have to ask anybody. You can find out yourself. So go ahead. So all the even numbers are crossed out. Now what do you need to do? So after 2, the prime number is 3. So cross out all the multiples of 3, right? So 9, it's gone. This one, then comes this one, this is gone, this one, gone, this one, this one, then comes this one and this one, then comes, see, after every interval of 3 you will get that number which is divisible by 3. So 45, so 48 gone, so 51 gone, 54 gone, so this one, this is gone also. So you need to cross out this one, gone, this one, gone, this one, this one, this one, gone. So this one, gone, this one, gone, so this one. So now what we have done, so we have crossed out all the multiples of 3. Next comes 5, right? So let us cross out all the multiples of 5. Got it? So let's see. Anything remains? No, gone. Okay. So now what you need to do? Can you see anything which is multiple of 7? Let's see. Multiple of 7. See, 49. Got it? Gone. Next. Is there anything? Yes, 77. Anything? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Got it? Now, next thing is what remains, isn't it? So in the first thing, so 11, 13, 17, 19. So in the third row, 23 and 29 remains. In the fourth row, 31 and 37 remains. Got it? So in the fifth row, 41, 43, 47 remains. In the sixth row, 53 and 59 remains. In the next row, 61 and 67 remains. Go ahead and circle them out. So here, in the next row, 71, 73 and 79 remains. In the next row, 83 and 89 remains. In the last row, 97 remains. Okay, 91 is divisible. So go ahead and cross it out. So now the magic trick is, let me tell you how to remember this. So this is how you locate and find out the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Now go ahead and write down the number of prime numbers in each row. So in the first row, you got 4, right? So go ahead and write 4. This is 4. This is 2. This is 2. This is 3. This is 2. This is 2. This is 3. This is 2. And this is 1. So see, remember this like a phone number or a cell number, right? 4422322321. So these are the number of prime numbers in each row. So from 1 to 10, you will find number of prime numbers 4, 11 to 20 is 4, 21 to 30 is 2, so on and so forth. If you remember this sequence of numbers, you will know that in which sequence the number of prime numbers lies. Okay, so if we add this up, so you will know that number of prime numbers between 1 to 100 is 25. Got it? So Sieve of Eratosthenes helps us to find out the prime numbers between 1 to 100. Students, please use this trick to remember like phone numbers, right? 4422322321. So remember like a phone number so that you can calculate. If you get a question such as how many prime numbers are there? How many prime numbers are there between 1 to 100? So you know it's 25. So if you remember the sequence, you will know what to do. Now, if you are given a question of prime numbers between 50 to 100, so you see 50 to 100, right? So add this up. So if you are asked to find out the number of prime numbers between 50 to 100, just add them up. So 2 plus 2 is 4, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 10. So number of prime numbers between 50 to 100 is 10. Got it? Or you might be asked to find out what are the prime numbers between 51 to 60. So 51 to 60, we know that there are two prime numbers, but what are they? So go ahead and write 51 to 60 and use the concept of Eratosthenes. Go ahead and cross out all the even numbers, then the multiples of 3, then 5, then 7. Got it? The thing which is left over will give you, the numbers which are left over will give you the prime numbers. Got it? So I hope that you have learned how to find out the prime numbers between 1 to 100 by using the sieve of Eratosthenes. Okay? And also my tips and tricks of this sequence of numbers that will help you to find out the number of prime numbers lies between each sequence of numbers like 1 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 30. Got it? I hope you have understood how to get those out. Okay? So if you have any queries or question, let me know and I'll try to answer those as fast as I can. Thank you students. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.